Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to build a custom booking system in Wix without using any apps in 2025. So step 1, log into Wix editor and go to database, then collections, and click add to create a bookings collection. Step 2, add fields like service name, date, time, customer name, and email. Step 3. Enable write permissions so users can create bookings via front end. Step 4. Go to the page you want and turn on Wix Velo or the developer mode. Step 5. Add input elements and connect them to the collection fields. Step 6. Write a small Velo script so that on submit, form entries are automatically added. Step 7. Test the booking form and view it in your bookings collection. And that's it. Your Wix site can now take bookings without additional apps. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.